Benefits of vitamin C for skincare. Hello, radiant souls. Welcome back to our channel, your trusted source for all things skincare. Today, we're embarking on an in-depth exploration of the skincare superhero, vitamin C serums. Buckle up for a journey into the world of transformative skincare. If you're as excited as I am, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's dive deep into the realm of vitamin C serums. The science behind vitamin C. Let's lay the groundwork by understanding the science behind vitamin C. Also known as L-ascorbic acid, this essential nutrient performs a multitude of functions in the body, from synthesizing collagen and metabolizing protein to contributing to antioxidant activity, supporting skin healing, and boosting the immune system. Vitamin C is a powerhouse that our body craves. Interestingly, the body cannot produce vitamin C naturally, making it a crucial element for a healthy lifestyle. The importance of vitamin C in diet. While we've been exploring the wonders of topical vitamin C, let's not forget its significance in our diet. A healthy, balanced diet, rich in vitamin C, can complement your skincare routine. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, red and green peppers, kiwi, broccoli, strawberries, and Brussels sprouts are fantastic sources of vitamin C. Remember, a holistic approach to skincare involves nourishing your body from the inside out, so don't skimp on those vitamin C-rich foods for overall skin health. Benefits of vitamin C for skin. Now, let's delve into the magic it works on our skin. The primary functions of vitamin C for our skin are truly remarkable. First and foremost, it supports collagen synthesis, the key to maintaining the elasticity and structure of our skin. Beyond that, it acts as a guardian against free radicals, offering protection from sun damage and the aging process. While ongoing research is uncovering more benefits, potential advantages include added protection from sun damage, reduced redness, improved wrinkles, and even assistance in managing acne. Now, how can vitamin C revolutionize your skincare routine? Incorporating vitamin C into your routine. It's time to elevate your skincare routine with the introduction of vitamin C serums. Let's explore some top-notch products that claim to be game changers. SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic, with 15% vitamin C, 1% vitamin E, and 0.5% ferulic acid, aims to protect the skin from free radicals, improve fine lines and wrinkles, and brighten and firm the skin. For the delicate eye area, BeautyStat Universal C Eye Perfector boasts 5% vitamin C for firmness and smoothness. Bliss Bright Idea Vitamin C Plus Tripeptide, collagen protecting and brightening serum, vegan and cruelty-free, contains clinical-grade vitamin C to plump, brighten, and reduce dark spots. Remember, this information is research-based, and I haven't personally tried these products. DIY Vitamin C Masks. Now that you've got the lowdown on vitamin C serums, let's add a fun and cost-effective twist to your skincare routine. DIY Vitamin C Masks. Creating your own masks at home can be a game-changer. One simple recipe includes a tablespoon of vitamin C powder, a tablespoon of honey, and a tablespoon of plain yogurt. Mix these ingredients, apply the mask, let it sit for 15-20 minutes, and voila, wash it off, and you'll be left with a radiant glow. DIY skincare can be both fun and effective, offering a personalized touch to your beauty regimen. Tips and usage guidelines. Now that you've got your hands on these fantastic serums, let's talk application. Cleanse your skin thoroughly before applying the serum. This ensures maximum absorption. When applying, start with a thin layer and gradually increase the frequency to allow your skin to adjust. For an extra boost, consider combining vitamin C with other antioxidants like vitamin E and ferulic acid. Use it in the morning for added sun protection, a crucial step in your skincare routine. If you're a fan of retinol, alternate its use with vitamin C to avoid irritation. Your skin deserves the best care, and these tips will ensure you're on the right path. Potential side effects. As with any skincare product, vitamin C serums may have some side effects. Common ones include itching, redness, and a tingling sensation upon application. However, these usually subside over time as your skin adjusts to the product. It's important to note that everyone's skin is unique. If you're new to vitamin C, start with a patch test and gradually incorporate it into your routine. Now, let's address some common questions about vitamin C, ensuring you have all the information you need for a successful skincare journey. There you have it, our comprehensive guide to unlocking the fountain of radiance with vitamin C serums. I hope you're as excited as I am to revitalize your skin. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up, share your favorite vitamin C products in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay glowing and stay fabulous.